There are some stones from the river. I was told to fetch in the river and use them. They enter the sea. I put them personally, and then I speak a blessing up to them. It's not like you putting yourself in the steam. I do this because I was told to do so. Because I am doing so. All things are seen now. God doesn't lie. It's a human that speaks lies. A human is lying even in the altar. I'm burning all the spirits, all zombies, all dark spirited waters. Oh Baba, Father, Creator of heaven and earth, fire of heaven, I'm burning all the bad things, all animals, all the darkness, all the zombies. Oh, Lord, show success and light. May people be blessed. The recurrence of the family. The recurrence of the family. Hiding them from their bodies. May they be cleansed, Father. All the darkness. All the zombies. Burning them. Father, I'm asking for success. The secrets of hiding. The heaven above. The heavens I'm thankful, oh Lord. Your word doesn't go back. Your word, Father. Arise. Father, what didn't happen must happen. I'm praying. I'm at the altar that you put me in. Another one comes here and says, Father, prophet, I'm thankful for you to open us an opportunity. I slept with my sister. She got pregnant. The baby was born. Now the child is sick. The hands are shriveled. I've never spoken this thing to anyone, Father. Do you see the problem? There are some things that you will never say in your family. There's somebody that you gave them spiritual food. You made a man eat spiritual food. You made a woman eat something that you won't say. You will speak it here. I went, and then something was done to me so that a man can stay. Has done something in my private parts. As we come here, confession. If you confess, let your heart go. A person who goes in secrets doesn't succeed. Just like worshiping, you must confess. To not confess is going to hurt you. If you confess, you are healing yourself. Just speak straight when you are by the prophet. When you want all your doors and gates to open up. If you don't confess, you are also blocking your children. Your children. There is a secret inside you that you don't want to confess. And then it goes up to your children. But if you confess, you relieve your children as well. Just speak. I told my girlfriend to terminate a pregnancy. Many people come here and say so. Father, may I be cleansed in the steam. I killed someone. Father, I'm trying to sleep with women. My heart doesn't agree to leave women. Even men. I sleep with them. Father, I have 2 men. Listen, people. There's no one without a mistake. We learn from our mistakes. We mustn't laugh at each other. We are here to be fixed. See me here. I came here not like this. The Lord of the Nazareth loved me. My grandmother, Mama Sondo, loved me. I came here stinking. I went into the journey. There were some things that didn't want to leave. I went with them. Others laughing at me, speaking everything. Went to them. Went with them. The time came. We are removing this now. We are removing this now. We are removing this now. We are removing it now. Until I came here. I'm not embarrassed as I'm here. There's no noise following me. Making noise. My ways are straight. I'm married, I have a wife. When I live here, I go to my wife. I don't go sideways. When I put a hand on you, you live now. There was a man that was here who had stroke. Came here on Wednesday without knowing how to speak. having stroke. Came here on Wednesday. I put a hand on him. You've seen him on TikTok. On Thursday, he was here. He can speak. He's healed. What's that? If you lead yourself with your body, stand in the same place. Your ancestors, your family, they come closer to you, enter your body, and your angel also rise up and use you a lot. You don't enter space, even in your body. The way you go, you are taking care of yourself. God bless you. Thank you.